Midland Manufacturing, the leading producer of railcar and fittings for more than 70 years, now brings its superior expertise to the remanufacturing and repairing of railcar valves. With remanufacturing and repair facilities located just outside of Chicago, Illinois and Houston, Texas, Midland Manufacturing can quickly and skillfully remanufacture or repair Midland brand or non-branded valves at either facility. No matter the valve brand or type of reconditioning needed, Midland Manufacturing guarantees your valve will be inspected, remanufactured or repaired, tested, and shipped within days, minimizing downtime for your rail cars and keeping your profits on track. Once Midland Manufacturing receives your shipment of a valve, a highly trained Midland technician deconstructs each valve piece by piece, examining and classifying the type of work required for each component. This level of attention, combined with Midland's state-of-the-art facilities, means that your valves are restored to their factory condition at a fraction of the price of purchasing new. After your valves have been remanufactured, repaired, or even a combination of both, each valve goes through a rigorous testing process to ensure performance levels match or exceed performance and safety requirements. For each step of the remanufacturing and repair process, data is recorded. This data is compiled and separated into categories that Midland employees review and use to uncover operational insights that continue to lead the industry. Utilizing these insights and industry benchmarks, remanufacturing and repair programs can be tailored for specific clients. If you transport commodities via rail, you face more restrictions and regulations than ever. From TIH to general purpose valves, Midland Manufacturing helps you achieve compliance while being fiscally responsible. From optimizing service intervals to OEM precision repair of valves, Midland Manufacturing helps you become more knowledgeable, lessen the risk of fines from environmental agencies, and gain more control of your rail transport operation. The Valve Remanufacturing and Repair Program is another example of Midland's 70-year dedicated commitment to protecting people, communities, businesses, and the environment worldwide by helping to ensure the safe rail transport of all hazardous and non-hazardous products and materials. Contact Midland Manufacturing today to learn how you can save money while adhering to the most current regulations in this ever-changing landscape.